Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today we're going to be tinting out the black headlights, tail lights for this Astra. So these are going to be made black. Ooh. Okay, so for this we're going to be using this here, which is, what's it called?
It's Halfords
black backlight
spray. And you want a black one?
Yeah. And you want to put it in some hot water so it doesn't spread unevenly because of the cold.
You don't want it spitting.
Yeah, it won't be spitting if you do that. Okay, so first thing first, we need to get the headlights out. You can't do this with masking tape and stuff, or you just find it easier to take out because it's quicker.
So your first place, I'll put my torch on. So first place that you want to be looking, obviously this is where you can find it. That's for this, just this headlight just over there. So you just want to turn that off.
It.
It's solid to take out these. There you go.
Oh,
so then it's just in there. So do you want to show them on the inside?
Yeah. That's the inside there.
So wait, to go. That's it. So just over here, you can have a look.
Right, with the flash on.
So here you can see just located there. Yeah, located there is what you need to plug out, and then there's one white screw just there, and then there's another white screw just round here which you need to unplug.
So the white screws inside, you want to take them out. They're literally up there. Can't show you any better, can I? There's one there. There's one there. Can you see? It's just two white bits that you'll notice anyway. You can see, just screwing it out. Have you took out the harness here?
Yeah, so the main part was
so the lighting harness is out.
Yeah.
Just unplugging it now with this white bits.
So that literally just comes straight out.
It's just a little plug. And you spin the other one out.
The other one. Just need to try and find that one.
Yeah. Just in the corner. Twist it to your left.
These are quite difficult to take out as well.
Because they've been there for ages. If you're struggling WDK, no, not WDK. WKD, no. WD-40, that's the one. WD-40. Now all you have to do is just lift it up, pull it out. We'll clean that out, innit?
Yeah,
that's dirty as fuck.
So that's one headlight there.
That's one headlight. We've got one more to do. We take out in. The bottom nut is very difficult. Very difficult. You have to smack it for a while. If you have a wrench, then use a wrench. By hand, it's very hard.
So
check out the left
one,
side.
I got a bit excited, took it off a bit quick. So the way you do it, just want to gently take it off.
Gently pull it off, literally. Shimmy it, beamy it about.
Yeah, it's literally, that's just how the game is. This is one of the plugs that it's just basically holding it all in. So you just want to kind of
just lift it and pull at the same time.
Yeah.
You'll get the hang of it eventually. Shimmy it about. Is that corner still in? No, yes, I know. There you go. Just keep pulling on it slowly. Okay, so it's coming off that rubber grommet and then it's out. There you go, it's out. Yeah, that's very dirty. We're going to clean that out 100%. Look how dirty that is. Okay, now we're definitely cleaning that before these go back in. Right, now we've got it, we can do the spraying, and that's been sat there for a while, so it'll be warm now.
You can see it looks like bee's eyes.
That's pretty nice, but they will be nicer soon.
True. Soon on.
Alright guys, so these are the headlights, tail lights. First you want to clean them with the glass cleaner. Make sure there's no dust or debris on it. Oh, it's actually flying. It's very windy outside. Yeah, just make sure they're nice and clean. Done one or both. Okay, cleaning. It's so windy. Wow. Okay. A lot pissed off.
Huh?
What did you say?
Everyone will get alcohol poisoning.
Why? The spray?
Yeah, because it's spraying on it.
Okay. That's clean now. Nice and shiny clean. let's have a look at this. I wish I could bend over, but I can't. My legs are broken. Okay. Okay, you want to shake the can? Quite a bit. Separate them a bit.
So before you do it, just test it on some surface area.
So the cardboard.
Yeah, I'm just going to do it here on the corner.
Yeah, it's working alright.
Yeah. So clearly works and everything.
This will fail your MOT if it goes too dark, so don't overdo it. You want to be able to still see the headlights, tail lights out of it in the day and night.
Right,
same with the indicators, so yeah. Right. So you want to do light spreads all along, even spreads. So you want to go side to side, whichever motion you like. So this is coat number 1. We have now relocated inside.
Started raining, so we had a bit of a
it was raining a bit. So if you see any spatters of rain, stop immediately and cover it up and run inside. Otherwise you will get bubbles. Okay. We got rid of the bubbles with more glass cleaner. But yeah, there's this one as well. Now we are into a temporary hold. So between sprays you want to let it dry, between coats you want to let it dry for about 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, about 10 minutes roughly.
And yeah, and go as many, however dark you like with how many coats.
But make sure it still stays legal at the end of the day.
Yeah, so don't make it too dark. If it's too dark where you can't see the red itself, then you know it's too dark. So yeah, you shall see that. On my car, the Golf MK6, I want to do I want to make my headlights black as well, but I'm not going to use spray because as you can see the shine goes with it. It turns into like a matte effect. So I want the normal glass shine with it, so I'm going to tint it with film. So when I get my tints done, it'll be done like that. So you'll see that as well. Now we're going to let it dry and keep doing coats, and then you can see the difference between the two. Alright guys, we've done about how many coats?
3 coats, 4 coats.
We've done 3 coats on the left and 4 coats on the right one. As you can see, it's a lot darker than it was before. Yeah, we're going to continue.
Pending.
Even though the rain has stopped us, we are inside now. Nothing will stop us. And guys, this is what it looks like currently. It's a lot more darker, but we're going to do another 2 more coats. Because why not? To make it a bit more darker, because you can still see the red. So it's still legal. Indicator wise is legal as well. Indicators at the top. So yeah, just going to go 2 more coats in and then we're done. I'm going to put it back on the car. Okay, so the headlights are ready. We're going to put them back in. We're just wiping everything down.
Oh look who's back.
Oh look. This is how it was on the other side. We're going to clean that as well. Look at that cleanings. Making it beautiful. What is that?
Is that paint a bit scratched off? Probably.
Yeah.
And that is...
So first thing we'll do is put it back in place and then put the white connectors on. And then screw it opposite way of last time. And then we're going to put the wires back in, that's it. Then I'll show you how it looks like at the end. Alright guys, we'll put them back on the car now. Same way as you take them off. Still visible, yeah. Go press down on the brake. So these aren't too dark. Press on the brake. Yeah, that's fine. Put it in reverse. Yeah, that's fine. Indicators. indicators, hazards. Yeah, that's fine. So that's legal, as you can still see the light. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You'll see more videos soon on this car, that car, every other car, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.